Yo, viewers, uh, afternoon. So, last day we got busy, so I couldn't able to come to live. So we are here today. So, uh, what like if you were already uh, previous user or previous subscriber of a channel, you would know what are the results that we are providing to the users, like valuable, accurate, and yeah, kind of valuable resources, right? So before we getting in, I would like to show my past history, like what happened previous day, so that previous viewers whoever that people come new, so they can subscribe and they can know what of the what are the valuable product that I'm providing. Okay, yeah, and we are doing some crazy, like, yeah, like kind of optimistic way. We are like to grow our community, so that is what it's in the process. Okay, so let's start with our, yeah, first of all, I'm Sardi. If you are new to this channel, you have to subscribe. If you are a very beginner for financial or like kind of stuffs in financial investments, stocks, forex, crypto, just subscribe, because if you are beginner, you're gonna learn a lot from my channel. Okay, and then we also sometimes talk about politics, sometimes entertainments. Yeah, things will be there. And in talk of Telegram, so we have a signal channel, like it's basically for uh, yeah, it's for, okay, so you can see here. So this is our channel. Since we started a couple of months ago, we are providing valuable signals. And yeah, yeah, this was the post that we are hiring interns, like that was another stuff. So if you are interested, you can go in, like only for undergraduate students. Okay, so certificate based like training maybe. Okay, so if you go back, we in the morning we provided a signal which is called uh, buy setup and hold around, like I told set limit. And yeah, I have traded on two accounts, like one account which I used my best, like my risk, but it was missed, and another account was less risk, but yeah, it's on the run. So it's okay, like we made some progress, like around it gives 50 pips. Okay, like, yeah, so that was today's like today's signals that started with. And yeah, make sure if you guys are trading with us, make sure read the description, sorry, disclaimer. Okay, so and then yeah, oh, I went too far. That is the correct one. Okay, let me go there. So yesterday night, um, this is the first time from the YouTube we got a global client, which is from US. Okay, so they were following our channel, um, like off a month. Okay, like take a maybe a month. So they've been tracking, and also they've been used our copy rate, so that they got like much of profit, like much valuable from us. So we made some deals, and they are accepted, and they just uh, let in. Yeah, so that's how, like I've made some few sales, and much of I've seen some clients, but This is why I posted here. This came from YouTube. Like it's kind of new resource, like from new platform. So that's why I posted here. So yeah, because of that first one, I feel like even $10 it would be good for me. Like I would know like my channel and my valuable whatever the accurate signals or resources are reaching somehow across the sea. Okay, so and then we started to post Indian stocks analysis, and mostly we focus on forex. Okay, and yeah, the first in because of so many people were asking, yeah, you have to post stocks of India, like Indian stocks analysis. So I started this week, like mid of this week. So yeah, it was going great, but it would take time to for me to give more analysis. Okay, it's not about the analysis, it's about the accuracy, man. Make sure like you have a mindset. You don't have to trade 10 trades. Okay, you have to trade one or two trade. That is has to be successful. Okay, that is how the mindset are. Don't expect for more setups, more. Eventually, I don't know, maybe you will lose. Okay, until if you are an expert. I'm not an expert. I'm maybe a profitable trader, that's all I can say. Okay, so what happened in previous live? We give a signal. Okay, you can see here. We actually first. That's why I told you guys before market moves, you don't know what exactly happens. You are not a god. Like you are don't have a time vision, right? So you don't know exactly how the market moves. That's why I could consolidate. That's what I thought in my technical analysis. And after I just posted um, this one which is in live. Okay, which is in live. That's why you have to follow the live session, man. You can easily grab the accurate signal. Okay, so here you can see it's almost reached off of the price, and I told them to take partial, and you can see what happens next. It's eventually reached to the POI. Like if you go to the live, you will see that I have marked some zones. Supply zone, it's reached the end of the day to the supply zone. The signals were so okay, like I'm not even like I don't know, like it's exactly gonna reach there. You don't have to know, man. You don't have to know exact market moves, like where it will exactly going to reach, where it's will it's not about that. You have to know which direction the market going to move, and you have to enter on a right entry and exit on the right time. That's all you need. Okay, don't it's kind of mistake that I made. Don't try to understand every single move on the market. Okay, because I don't know. I tried that, but I failed. So if you have kind of power, yeah, you can try. Yeah. So previous signals, if you just go and watch, we made only profitable signals. Okay, so last week was fully profitable, not a single SL. Okay, one scalping we missed, and another one scalping was I guess so one SL, but I forgot. Okay, so this was all about the signals on previous day. And here the will of the network, why I created this group, because it's for only signal. Okay, in future we are having a plans of creating a community. Okay, like community, it's not just for financial stuff, and it's more than that. Like uh, yeah, I will let you know. Like I don't wanna uh, published without a preparation. Okay, so you can see here network is just based on not only the finance and also forex. Okay, if you join here, it's going to be like common. Like you can find a good network like for helping for you. Like we will turn on the chat at some point of people's will join. So don't forget to, like, everything will be on the uh, description link. I'm going to add now, so everything will be on the description. Once you have joined, what all things that you're going to get? in the future we are planning to give valuable maybe classes, or then apart from the classes, and we like to start some donations, okay, donations or giveaways. And yeah, if we are reaching somehow a to good amount of people, so, and also we can try to build a community or network, right? That's how it was happen. And yeah, if you are not interested in finance, like if you don't want to trade, just like but you don't want to miss what we are doing, and if you want to get updated, just join this channel. And if you want signal, you can go for this. And this one is resource and tools. So why I created this channel, it's totally like when I was beginning with trading, like I don't know what to read, what to study, and a lot of resources that mess up. So you may fail a lot of money, like if you read, or if you understand, if you learn from wrong resources. So back tested, uh, yeah, back tested, and also these resources are which I preferred, and also I trained, and also I read. So what are the resources will be there? It's totally free, nothing charged. You just have to go to my profile and get my Telegram link and just DM me. Okay, I will join you. There is one step process is there, and it's totally free. Yeah. So yeah, that's all. We are done. And today we already give a signal, right? I don't know what happened. I forgot to send them yes. Like if they are holding one from one account, I was holding. I don't care. Like because of that less risk, I don't care if even if it's like hit the SL. So SL, let's say 322. Okay. So they don't miss it. Okay. So 22, fine. So yeah, that's a quite explanation. Okay, so I have to uh, make description and some few works on there, like those works are I can't able to do before live stream. After live stream only I will have to do. Okay, so yeah, before I'm doing that. Okay, make sure subscribe, guys. Whatever that I told, just go. I will, like if you were watching, you can come back. Those Telegram links and everything will be. I will be added in description. Hope so. I got some advanced feature unlocked by YouTube. So if that was happened, I will just make sure to put everything, links and every details on description. Yeah, and we'll start for analysis, right? I have to do analysis. So okay. So it's just 5 minutes. You can see it's on 26, right? Yeah, it's on a 26. So our result was 22. Let's see what happens. So it depends on you guys. Like I I I have traded with few multiple accounts. Okay, one account I will close on partial profit. Like once it's went to 40 pips, 50 pips, I'll close it. Okay, one account I take a high risk, one account I take less risk, and another one I just leave it. Like I don't care even if it hits SL. That's how I manage my accounts. Okay, so if you are trading, you have to decide. Like if you went to the some profits, it's closing, or like you close the profits or break even, it's your wish. Or like if you want to hold until the setup gives a big returns or yes sir, it's also your wish. Okay, it's all about the mindset. And you have to calculate which gives you profitable, like which plan makes you profitable, that's all. Okay. So don't expect like exactly you have to say this will go sniper, like hit the TP and things like that. Like I'm not experienced till now, like, okay. So yeah, even if I'm experienced, that won't be like uh, what I tried to say was uh, just learn the nature of trading. That's all. Like it's all about the psychology, and if you handle it in peace, like peaceful mind and discipline, then definitely you're gonna make profit. And yeah, so so and just uh, take a few minutes break. So I have to go through what's happening on YouTube. Like I have to set some descriptions. Then you'll get into the analysis. Okay. So yeah, subscribe, man. Yeah, to make sure. So I have to say something, but just go ahead. So I just want to show you guys, if you don't subscribe, so you might remember, right? Like yeah, I have to subscribe. Most of them forget, like they want to like even sometimes they saw some interesting contents, they forgot to subscribe. So though, like, you don't see the channel again, that's why. So if you are interested, don't forget to subscribe, right? And just looking for a few. It's not moving. Okay, let it be. Okay, I will mute my mic. Okay, it's good now. I will, mic will be right back. 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, maybe 15 minutes. Your brothers close partial profits, don't wait for full TP. So it's almost went for TP. Like you are waiting for like uh, I win a couple of accounts, so I closed it. So make sure it may reach the TP. So it's about the ratio that I always said. Once I reach 1:2 ratio, I will come out of my off of the accounts. Okay, so just close the off partial profits and yeah, have fun. So that was a good trade. Like actually, we got 32 from 26. Okay, so this is what we posted on Telegram also. So yeah, we provide uh, accurate good signals. So don't forget to subscribe. So you will miss so much opportunity like this. Yeah. So just for your like if some people were coming like you have to know like right. Uh, I guess I got new subscriber that which named as oh, it's not audible now. I guess it's audible now. Sorry, let me check. Yeah, it's now audible. Like everything was okay. Yeah, was just yeah. My cable was kind of loose to my mic. That's why it's not audible. Yeah, okay. Now it's fine. Yeah, thank you, Salila. Thank you for information. Or else I would be. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know, guys. Close off profits. Don't hold for full TP. So it may reach the TP. It's based on fully risk to reward ratio. Okay. So it's okay, so if you watch closely, it's 1:3 ratio, and we got around 2 ratio. Setup was done. So even if you guys are not catch this exact setup on live, you have to join it on my Telegram group. So you can see in the morning, early morning, I was posted to set limit on 3326. It's exactly reached there. First time I missed the trade. Okay, you can see that how much the distance that I missed, almost just 1 point. But second time it's reached the exact set limit. So just go for it. And yeah, if you just subscribe into my Telegram server, you don't miss any trades, any accuracy signals. Okay, so so it was quite good setup for today. So we will look for any other currencies if possible, or else I will just have to take some break. Okay, yeah. And we got a new subscriber. I have told like 86. I think he has. His name is kind of Durgesh, I guess. So yeah, thanks for joining in. So I hope you will get to learn and we like we can learn together in this community. Yeah, see you again. I'm gonna take some breaks, so I will look on other charts, and if I got some good setups or like any kind of good direction based trade, like yeah, I will let you know, guys. So just catch up, like again, like you have to be updated every single like half an hour. Just come in and know what happening on this YouTube. At least that was if you joined on Telegram. best accuracy signals will be definitely posted on that. Yeah. So yeah, I have closed the trades that I just wanted to let guys know. So why? Because as a trader, you have to know when to close and when to take profit, or you're going to risk the money, or it's all depends on you. Okay, so it doesn't matter. You can wait for full TP. It doesn't matter. You can close it on partial profit. Anyway, it's all about matters you are profitable or not. Okay, so that's how it works. And yeah, I've done that. So just want to guys know. So I was looking on other few currencies. If we got any other setups, we will talk about that and see. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends so they can know and they can start learning also. So I just started to for this live trading, like live trading only, but in between, as always, I don't think so. I can do stop this, but maybe I will hold it for at least 3 p.m. like more 2 hours. If we got good setup, second setup, I will let you know the exact setup for you guys, and we'll end the session. Right? There is no use like holding too much longer. If we have some contents to talk about, I will let you know. So if you guys just watch uh, that like telegrams here, so we hit around like from 26 to 34, right? Around 80 pips. Okay, so 80 pips profit today, both. So don't forget to join our telegram if you don't want to miss any signals, okay? Or anything like all that, it's on the telegram. So yeah, even if I mention that I need 30 minutes break, but um, so you can see guys, the goal gonna be looks kind of it's good for scalping for sell. Okay, if we give a back test like around this area, so I won't suggest this as a signal, but yeah, if you were looking for any kind of like if any scalpers was in live, if any scalper want any setup, like I would suggest to go for sell if it retested back, like even one candle, like 5 minute using, even if it back tested here, so you can go for scale, like sell what we set as a S. Like, if we yeah, no, it's already moved up too far. Let's see. We don't have to judge too quick, right? So if we judge quick, it's probably we'll end up failing. Okay. So yeah, well, let's see the move and we'll decide it. Yeah, sometimes we have to let markets do the then like then we can understand what exactly the move is going to be. We also often look into our written form. So with just the basic understanding, like I would go for session. Like everyone has some common things for you, right? I hope so. Like marking days highs and lows, week highs and lows, or kind of a session. Like it depends on their strategy. I have to post strategical videos, and I have to continue the playlist. But yeah, I've been working on some other important. So we'll hope we'll continue in future. So, so this is called volume profile. If you don't, if you're a beginner, like uh, it named as volume profile, we could know that where exactly the peoples are getting in, like where you can see in volume profile the mid line is there, right? So there is the exact place most of the traders will trade, like either sell or buy. That doesn't matter for now, but you know the exact place where the trade's gonna be placed, right? Okay. So and the second thing was you have to find out, we're going to enter a sell or buy. Okay. So it's not kind of easy, but we could predict. Okay, but we could predict by using some. Let me show you. If I if we go, so let's go for 30 minutes. Okay, you can see here. This is quite uh, support. Okay, okay. So actually the support has been like it gives a rejection here. So if we go fully this way, it looks messy, but I used to it. So like, yeah, if you want to like clear for you guys, you can watch it on your charts also. Like I used to it, I can understand. So and I also use Fibonacci retracement sometimes. Okay. To like I can so I can confirm the levels that it gonna pass or it gonna like reverse. So that's the if it like you can definitely know. I will tell you now. Okay, so you can see it's a basic price action. This is support. That's all. Okay. See, sometimes the basic things will, if you learning the basic and like price actions and support and resistance and liquidity and what else, the zones, exactly, the supply zones and demand zones. So these are very very important stuffs. Okay, if you learn that and if you try to implement combinedly here and you could understand okay, what happened, like either the like that place is going to reverse like scalp or swing or day trade. That's how you will figure out. Okay, so you can see it's a clear bullish. Okay, every bullish it gives a certain support and it gives a backtest as a resistance and it goes like if you know about higher high lower low, higher low, that is like it comes. I teach you right in the playlist. I teach it you uh, if it starts from like here lower low, higher low, and sorry, higher high, and this is lower high. So that's how it goes. Okay, so you have to understand that. Just go if you are very basic, go to the playlist that so you can see uh, if it like I was looking for a retest quite recent for, then we can look for buy here. Okay, because it gives a very uh, high support. Okay, the zones was very like kind of strong. Okay, so but if it fails, like if it fails, it's goes like how could we say impulse move. That is like impulse move means you can see uh, you have to know like these are very very basics, but if you don't figure out these kind of things you are failing. So like I've been in this phase, that's why I'm telling you guys, just make sure understand. So this is like it's breaking the structure, right? Okay, uh, just see uh, the the market which break was candles are very impulse. Okay, like if it impulse means it goes like okay, like so fast and it breaks the candle and like it breaks the structure and see the another candles also impulse. So if it was happening and it breaks some kind of supports or like resistance, then if you are in trade in the wrong position, just come out. If you think it will go and it will come back and like it's like you are gambling. Okay, that's all I could say. So we can expect the same here. If it was sustainably there, we can look for buy position. Okay, can look for buy position and we have to wait. We have to wait. And if it not, even if we miss the trade, it's okay. It's okay. We will find another trade. But getting into the doubtful trade is it's kind of 50-50 risk. I don't want to do that. Yeah, that's all I could explain for now. It's just a basic, simple idea. Yeah, see what happens. I told you it was a sell, but we have to catch it here, but it doesn't retest it that much. It's okay. Scalping. Like if I was not in a live, I would take the scalping because I would be watching both my mobiles and tab and so we take some risks. See you soon. Be there once if we got some good position or even if it breaks, it depends on the move that we can predict. Okay, So yeah, I will let you know. It's just catch up. If it was a good move, definitely I will post it on Telegram. Just join. It's in the description. So yeah, I just want to say that maybe guys, I will end this session soon because we got up one trade on live, and also the another one I will let you know what this move is gonna be. But let's say first of all, our motive is every day we have to give one or two accurate signals. Okay, so we finished one, and after I started this channel, like I woke up today like it's like a miracle. We tell. So I was a bit tired now, and yeah, have other works to do. So we will end this session quite soon, and yeah, you can see we also reaching global customers like clients. And I just want to let you know, guys, subscribe and share it to your friends because if you are beginner, it's kind of a good opportunity to learn someone who are like going from like if you just go for some YouTube like already people's were millionaire and already do some stuffs, and if you learn from them, it's not quite compatible than comparing. That's why yeah. Okay, so this uh, GBP USD was quite not like it's kind of be slow, consolidated. But what I expect, okay, so if you want, you can take very less risk here. Like I will just show this, but I would not suggest. Okay, let's see this. Like I would not post this Telegram until it reaches here. It would reach here and it will go there. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. So this is how this move is going to be. Okay. So if it gets to this point, exactly this point, okay. So if it gets to this level, so yeah, you can take trade of buy setup. So I would say like yeah, you can take the how to let you know is the SL, right? A TP. Uh, if you get into the trade right here, if you retested back, and TP is going to be around 600, 600, 700, something around like below this one, below this level. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you guys like wait for retest. It's definitely gonna retest. That's what I'm guessing. So or else if it goes straight to the TP, just just leave this trade. Okay, like if it back tested, and what possible things can happen, like this is possible one, and the worst case it would go here and this. Okay, okay, so this is the two type might happen. So I guess this will happen, but yeah, anyway we can't predict the market like a future, right? So if it gets into the exact point, if I was live on the market on that time, I will post it on Telegram. So don't forget to join it. And yeah, so that was one. And I got to go. And we also going to talk some interesting topics in the future, like about our improvements of our community. Okay, like this network is for everyone. Like we're going to grow this network slowly. We have to improve by knowledge and also by the value that we're providing to the people. Okay. Yeah, that's all. So for now, it's quite good day. Even the video was very short, like just 2 hours, I guess so, but it was yeah, good. So we'll see what happens this analysis in the future. Okay, I will post that also in the Telegram. See you. Bye bye. Thanks for the time. Don't forget to subscribe. See you.